So a lot of people this year ask me, how do I get better at harder whitewater moves in easier whitewater without having to actually paddle that whitewater till I feel comfortable? So this is a great example. This is something that I've practiced thousands of times on easy whitewater. Pivot turns in both eddies, surfing in both directions, regular foot, goofy foot, going back and forth. So this is what I do to become a better paddler. Dial in my skills before I hit that heavier whitewater so that I know if I have to, or if I say I want to paddle a class 3 or 4 and I need to make these moves, I've already got it dialed in from practice over and over. So there you go. Great thing to practice on easy whitewater.